I'm Annette.
And I'm Marianne.
And we are the co-owners and founders of Nature's Plate. And we are back to share some easy ways to help you eat more plants. We recently started doing meal starters as part of our offering. And so we'd like to talk about how those can be used, either the ones we make or if you make your own, as an easy way to put healthy meals together quickly. So basically we have things like sliced potatoes, grains, vegetables, bean mixes, dressings, and they're all in multi-serving containers that you can store in your refrigerator. And then you and other members of your family can pull them out to mix and match into meals, adding in other vegetables or anything else you have in your pantry to make a meal just the way that you want to make it. So I am going to make a meal that I really like, starting with this quinoa peel-off. It's seasoned, cooked quinoa with a few chickpeas in it. So I'm going to start with that, and then I am going to add some roasted broccoli. This we roast with garlic and some seasoning, so it adds some great flavor along with obviously a lot of vegetables to this meal as well. It's always good to get some cruciferous vegetables in there. And then I'm going to add some chickpeas as the main protein source, and just to get some legumes in there. These are just canned chickpeas that have been rinsed, which are always a great option when for beans. And I'm going to top it off with some of our ranch dressing. A sauce or a dressing is always a good thing to have around to add a boost of flavor to your meal. And so this is going to be the topper for this bowl. And then I'm just going to warm this up a little bit and enjoy my lunch.
I'm going to put together a meal from our buffalo chickpea salad. It's the really spicy of our chickpea salads. We also do untuna, and we do a cranberry chickpea, so you could use any of those, but I'm going to use the buffalo today. So I'm going to start with a base of spinach. I like to have a big bowl so I can put a lot of spinach in here, because greens take up a lot of room in your bowl. I'm going to put those in there, and some of the buffalo chickpea. The buffalo chickpea is great because it's got lots of carrots and celery and chickpeas in there. Put some of that in here. And then I'm going to add some more carrots. These are shredded carrots just to give it a little more color and a little more flavor. And I like to add a side of broccoli to pretty much everything. So I'm going to put some of this broccoli this is just frozen broccoli. It's a great option. You can just microwave it or heat it up on the stovetop really quickly. It gets a cruciferous vegetable into your meal really, really easily, and it tastes delicious. You can also add red or green bell pepper. That's going to go really well with this. And you can add some ranch dressing to this as well. It goes really well with the buffalo. I like it just like this. Another option would be to make a wrap out of it. This is just a whole wheat wrap from a whole wheat tortilla from Whole Foods. These are really good, and you could use a corn tortilla if you want something that's gluten-free. We also have our eggless salad that we sell as a meal starter, and our red cabbage slaw and nacho cheese. So you can put together all different kinds we actually have lots of ideas at each one of our stores that you can come in and talk to us about for different ways to put these together. So for more ideas to help you eat more plants in a really fast and easy way, just subscribe to this channel or follow us on social media.